How to cancel an Amazon order, how to cancel your order on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnell, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Amazon order. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to cancel your order on Amazon, what you want to do is you want to first go ahead and open up the Amazon and sign into the account that you made the order from. Here now, what you want to do is you can simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom middle of your screen, and then you can see the option that says your orders at the top. You can see 4 different options and you want to select your orders option. Under your orders here now, you want to go to your orders and select the order you want to cancel. You want to check box of the item that you want to cancel from the order. To cancel the entire order, select all of the items, then select the reason for cancellation and click cancel checked items when finished. Now unfortunately I don't have any orders, but that is the way that you can cancel your order on Amazon. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.